Are you looking to move to Southwest Florida and Estero and looking for something special for $650 with lots of upgrades and a special surprise? Then come on, let's go take a look at this house. Okay, today I'm in Verdana Village and I'm at the Concord model, and this house is going for $650,000, and it's a 4-bedroom plus a den, 3 bathrooms, 2,400 square feet. If you're looking for something special, this may be the house for you. So let's take a look. This is beautiful. Let me just tell you a little about these homes real quick, that they all come with tile roofs and they all come with pavers on the driveway. And as I walk up towards the front door, I want to turn around and show you how large the driveway is. The depth of these homes is pretty deep, where you could fit a good 2, 4, 6 cars plus the 2 in the garage, 8 cars on this driveway easily. All the homes come with these little cute lanterns that light up at nighttime. There's some construction going on because this is new construction, but within a couple months, all this will be done on this block and you'll just be living in paradise. All right, so let's take a look on the tour and then I'll tell you more about the development. So you're gonna walk down this entryway, and all the homes here come with impact windows and doors, and this one is beautiful, 8-foot upgrade. Look at this beautiful hallway. Has tray ceiling. So this house has lots of upgrades in it, and it's ready to go. It's ready to move in. If you're ready to move, this is perfect house for you. All right, so let me take you into the surprise. So here is 8-foot door. Like I said, you go in, separate from the house, look down the hall, turn in here. You have a bathroom, full bathroom, all nicely upgraded. Bench. So this could be for a teenager, this could be for your in-laws. Here comes the surprise. Take a look. Okay, so now this is a room. Look as I pan around. It's its own living area. So if you have in-laws or an elderly person that needs to live with you, or teenagers that want their own space, look at this. Microwave, sink, full fridge, area to put a couch, TV in here. Separate space. So as I pan back, take a look. Separate door. As we move the door, look, another bedroom. So its own private quarters. Awesome if you need this type of lifestyle here. Now, if this house doesn't match you, no problem. Pulte builds all kinds of homes, and some of them are ready, some of them you can pick the lot, pick the house. My name is Lisa Ponce. I'm a realtor in Southwest Florida. I would love to help you purchase your next home in new construction. Please give me a call. I help people just like you every day find homes that match their lifestyle. And you should always look for the lifestyle you want and then find the house. And this lifestyle in Verdana Village is amazing. I'll tell you about it in a minute. So here is a den. Now let's open up into this beautiful gourmet kitchen, by the way. And Verdana Village is a gas community, so you have a gas stove, gas water heater, and gas dryer. You have the oven and the microwave inside. You have the stove on top of the counter, which is awesome. You have brushed nickel and white sink. Beautiful. I gotta show everybody the garbage can because I just love it. Garbage out of the way, don't have to worry about the can anywhere. Okay, so when I came in, I opened up these doors for you because I wanted to show you that there is pocket doors. So here's your dining room. Pocket doors, so when on a cool day here, you can open them up and the breeze just comes through. And I'm gonna take you backyard so you can see what you get back there. Here is your living area, so you could put a couch, love seat, definitely put a nice wall unit there. I'll take you outside in a second, but let's take you over to the master bedroom. The Verdana Village is awesome because it's a resort style living, has a resort pool, has indoor-outdoor pickleball, indoor-outdoor tennis, full indoor basketball court. There's a restaurant, the resort pool has a bar in front of it. You can get drinks, sit by the pool. You definitely feel like you're on vacation 24/7. So definitely give me a call and I'll help you pick out the house that fits your lifestyle. All right. So here is the master bathroom, 2 sinks. Okay, let's pull in. Look at this little area here. You could put a cute little vanity there or some type of storage, whatever you need. Here's the water closet. Okay, we pan back around. Look at this, really all the way to the ceiling. Shower, beautiful. Even has that little pocket to store the shampoos because you never know where to put all that stuff. And then here's the walk-in closet, very long and deep. So you could definitely upgrade this and put the shelving to fit. Have somebody come and do some custom closets in here easily. Right, so let's pull out. Take a look. The master bedroom again from the bathroom. Definitely could fit a king bed, dresser, 2 nightstands, has a nice view of the backyard. I'll give you a little peek real quick, then I'll take you outside. What I love about Verdana Village too is that they have lots of preserves. So you're either on a preserve or a lake. So if you don't want a preserve, there's other houses being built in here that could definitely fit what you're looking for. Just give me a call and I'm here to help. All right, so let's take a look. Look at this. And you know what's amazing about this? I'll give you a little secret. You see wildlife out here. I know, of course, not right now, but I have friends who live in here that see family of deers, beautiful birds. It's just amazing. And there's room to add a pool. So if you want a pool to add, you can go ahead and do that after you move in, no problem. Another thing that Lanai does and Pulte in here is that all of the homes come with screen lanais. So you don't have to worry about bugs coming in. You can open up these windows with no problem. All right, so here's the hallway. I'm walking back. And oh, I just want to show you this tile too. Look how beautiful this tile is. All right, there's the hallway. Now we're going this way. And what I love about this house is that there's tile throughout the whole house. That is a big important thing in Southwest Florida because people love tile throughout. They don't like carpet. And if you purchase this house and you need to resell it down the road, people will pick your house over someone else's house that has carpet for sure. So just keep that in mind when you're looking for a new home. All right, here is bathroom number 3. So like I said, 3 bathroom. And then there's bedroom number 2, number 3. Here is, look at this laundry room. This is so nice. You could definitely put some storage in here. They give you this full cabinet with a sink. They've upgraded this so nicely. I love it. You got cabinets here. You don't have to really do anything. The tile throughout the whole house. I'm going to show you the garage. 2-car garage, and all the homes in Verdana Village come with a 2-car garage. They even have smaller villas by Lanai, 2-car garage. And all the lots are nice and deep, so when you're driving down the street, you don't feel all claustrophobic as you're driving. It's just amazing. Okay, so let's take back a peek. So we have the in-law quarters, or teenage quarters, or man cave, whatever you want to call it, down by the front door. You have the 2 bedrooms and the other bathroom down here for guests. You have an office, so if you work from home or you just need office space, you have plenty of space here. Or make this another entertainment room. If you have teenagers, you could turn around and make this a game room for them. Definitely lots of storage in this house. Amazing. So like I said, my name is Lisa Ponce. I'm a realtor in Southwest Florida. I help people like you every day find their dream home. Let me help you find yours. I would love, love, love to help you. You deserve to live this amazing lifestyle. Once you get a hang of it, you will be like, why didn't I move here sooner? So please keep me in mind. Thank you so much for watching. I'll pan one more time to see this beautiful kitchen. And I will see you in the next one. Have a good day.